Did you just turn the air conditioning off?
Yeah.
Why?
Too damn cold in here.
It's not cold. It's so hot outside. It's so hot and humid.
Colder than hell.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm getting a drink here.
What are you drinking?
Huh? Right
We're
here.
not to turn the air conditioner off.
Yeah, I just asked him about it.
Is Samantha here? Samantha? Samantha,
What?
he turned the air conditioner off.
I
Will
know.
you turn it back on, honey? I don't know how. Your mom wants it. What?